Giant chocolates and more super sweet adventures here at Hershey's
Chocolate World.
This video features 8 things to do at Hershey's Chocolate World in Pennsylvania,
USA.
Hershey's Chocolate World is the sweetest destination located in central Pennsylvania. So if you are planning to visit or need some ideas on what to see and do in this amazing place,
or you love watching awesome adventures,
this video is for you. And now let's get started with our list, beginning with
Chocolate Tour.
It's a free ride that shows how chocolates are made at the Hershey's Chocolate Factory.
I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor. Pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it?
Hey everyone! The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Rollers smooth out the refined
Cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, my personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
It's a very fun ride.
With free chocolates! Next on our list is the 4D chocolate movie, starring Kisses, Reese's, and Hersheys.
Should we tell them?
Of course we should tell them. We need their help.
We need someone's help, but these folks are here to enjoy Chocolate World. You know.
Really good energy to solve the mystery.
We can't film inside, so here's AA to tell us what the movie is all about.
About kisses.
What happened in the movie?
That was the best thing.
And then?
He ruined the show
How?
by slashing lemon.
Did you like the movie?
Yes.
Next thing to do here is to eat. There's actually a great selection of food here, and it's not just chocolates.
That's also pizza.
And mac and cheese.
Loaded with bacon. Yum yum.
Check their menu.
For more yummy food. On our way to number 4.
It's the Hershey's Unwrapped.
It's a fun show.
That teaches how to enjoy a Hershey's chocolate. This is provided before the show and it contains
Different chocolates. Ta-da!
Next on our list are 2 other famous attractions in here. However, we were not able to try them due to schedule and availability. So it's best to check the website ahead to plan your adventure and maximize your visit.
Number 5 is the Trolley Works.
And number 6 is create your own candy bar.
Next is picture taking.
You can actually purchase the photo from the chocolate tour ride, or you can just use your phone or camera. There are so many wonderful spots where you can have your photos taken. The whole place is beautifully decorated according to the season. Our visit was during the holidays, as you can see with the decorations. And of course, for number 8, it's
Shopping.
shopping for
Chocolate and a lot more. Look, the candy machine. That was amazingly awesome. Please like and subscribe.
Also, check out our channel for more videos. Hi!
Hi, look. Barbie.
It's what you got from the chocolate world. Let me see. Wow.
Beautiful and she's wonderful. Yay. Thank you for watching.
We're making chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love.